China created these brands. Lenovo, DJI, Huawei, Xiaomi, Hisense, TCL, Transsion, Anker, Emo, Unitree, BYD, United Imaging, CATL, CXMT, YMTC, Longi Solar, Trina Solar, Envision Energy, Goldwind, Hesai Technology, Yardia, TikTok, Tencent, Alibaba, MiHoYo, Shein, Temu, Trip.com Group, DeepSeek, SF Express, Hire, Gree, Media, Ecovax, Roborock, Joyoung, Supor, Galans, CREC, CRRC, Sanyi, Hikvision, Dahua Technology, ZPMC, CCCC, Mindray, ICBC, Miniso, Pop Mart, BGI, Fuyao Glass, Wanhua Chemical, CIMC, Hengli Petrochemical, Lead, Goodix, Sunny Optical, Jinko Solar, Maxwell, Lilith Games, WPS, Tuya Smart, Luckin Coffee, MXBC, iFly Tech, Anta, Leaning,